welcome to the Digital Points, and today I will tell you how to see saved password in the Google Chrome. Okay, and for this you just need to open your Google Chrome browser, and let me note it down in Google Chrome. Okay, and to do this, what you need to do, just open your Google Chrome browser. Okay, and just see on the right very top where you have this cross thing to close the Google Chrome, and just underneath that you have these three dots. Okay, you just need to click on that. When you will click on that, you will get a menu, and in this menu you need to click on this settings. Okay, and when you will click on settings, there will be some options. Okay, and if you will just slide it down, okay, then you will find this password. Okay, password section in the autofill. Okay, here you have payment methods and address and more, whatever you have saved. Means whenever you go to some websites and save something in the forms to autofill, then these autofill settings are here. Inside that, the first one is the passwords. You just need to click on that. Okay, and now you can see the passwords which are saved. Okay, and if you want to, like, the password is right now is looking like in dots. Okay, and if you want to see a specific password, you need to just click on the I in just front of that password, means the I symbol which is associated to that password. Okay, if you will click on that, it will ask you for the administrator password of your computer. Okay, when you will give that password, then this thing will be visible like that. Here you can see Windows Security is asking for my password. Okay, and when I will just put that password in, okay, then I will be able to see the password which I am trying to see. Okay, if I hit it, okay, now I can see this password. Okay, I will just hide this password for right now, but you can see your password in your computer by just watching this video. And this is it for the video, and I think that this information will be useful for you. So please like and subscribe the channel to show your support. Have a great day. Bye bye.